See, and it makes it all nice and smooth. So I might play with them a little bit and do stuff like that.
They're fluffy. They're super fluffy. I like
This
piggy
one's a
banks.
real rare one too, the color. It's just a little baby one still getting fed by its mama.
They look funny. Those look like chickens.
See, here's a little bit bigger baby right here. See him?
Wow.
Nice, yeah, big. It's a little bit bigger baby.
Aww.
And then
We had a baby.
I'll show you. Here's a little bit bigger.
We had a baby bird, but the baby bird died.
And see, and then when he gets about a week old, you put bands on the legs. And then after about a week old, you can never take the band off. It won't come off anymore. And then it tells you the number and see 2015. And then you can keep records better.
That's a sheep inside?
What's that?
That's a sheep.